Good morning, guys. My name is Luda, aka Nitty Life, and welcome to my channel. We are currently at Fort Collins, and Eli's actually gonna run a half a marathon, and I'm going to start my knitting today. Super excited. I had this really cool idea, so I'm gonna need a scarf, so just in white, and then I'm gonna do duplicate stitch and make it a keyboard.
Damn.
Right? It's gonna be super sick. I'm so excited. So let's go to Target to go to the bathroom and then we'll go to his race, which starts at 8:30, so he has an hour to warm up and stuff, and then I'll vlog all day. And then my parents are also coming up to Fort Collins from Breckenridge, which is kind of far, to support and to get some breakfast, so I'm excited. So let's go do that, and then we'll continue knitting today. This is where Eli's gonna start his race, and there's about like 3,000 some people that signed up for that.
Now, here we go. It's gonna be on go. 5, 1, and then go. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Woo!
So Eli finished the race. We already went to breakfast with my parents, and tell them, how'd you do?
Got my butt kicked, but it was tough. Pretty like daddy. If you could see my eyes, they're pretty red. But yeah, I got 11th overall.
That's really good. There's like 3,600 people running that race.
I ran,
so 11
like,
is really good.
1 hour and 13 minutes. Averages out like 5:39 a mile. So it's okay for the day. We're just kind of testing out where we are.
Time.
So
it's more than okay. It's really
yeah,
good.
it was my first half marathon.
Not many people can say that. That's
no,
pretty
they
awesome.
could say that.
But they ran that well on their first half marathon?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
But yeah, so it was fun. So keep watching. We'll definitely have some more stuff.
That sounds good. I'm gonna continue knitting because we have to drive an hour to go back home. So I brought my knitting stuff, and we're just gonna continue. Oops, almost fell out of the bag. We're just gonna continue knitting while Eli's driving, and then see where we're at when we get home.
The next day.
Okay guys, it's the next day. I am so freaking excited because I got something good in the mail. So yesterday I started working on my knitted scarf, right? And look how much we got done. I worked on this all day, couple hours, and this is all we got done. What is this? This is not even like close of half of a scarf. Pathetic. Like, I don't want it. I hate it. It takes forever to knit. Why? So last week on Thursday, I ordered this package, and today it got here, guys. I'm so freaking excited. So we got our Amazon package, which, by the way, I never got Amazon delivered to this address. I always had to go to post office to pick up, but I figured out how to do it so it gets delivered to my door, and I'm so excited, guys. So we're gonna open it today in few minutes because I am still at work. It's only like 4:20 and I get off at 5. So as soon as 5 o'clock hits, we're gonna bust open this package, and I'm gonna show you what's in there. I'm so excited. It's obviously something related to knitting, and if you've seen my story, you know exactly what it is because I posted on my Instagram story. If you haven't seen it, go follow me at Nitty Life. What are you doing? And so let's wait till 5 o'clock and let's open it. This makes my day even more exciting. I can't wait to get off so I can get started on my knitting project that I want to get done today. Like goals for the day. So let's go back to work, and then we'll come back at 5 p.m. I'm so excited. Yeah. Just kidding. It's 5:11 and we got done with working, and we're gonna open the package. I'm so excited, guys. Whoop. I hope it's not broken because sometimes I've had times where I've got Amazon package and stuff we're missing or it's broken. So, and this is plastic, I believe. So please don't be broken, please, please, please. Okay, let's open it, guys. I'm so excited. I can't wait. Why is this such a big box? I don't understand. Like, what am I gonna do with this big box? My apartment is like the tiniest thing ever. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, this thing is huge. Okay, it did not look this big on pictures. What? It makes sense why the box is so big. Like, it fit in a box. Let me throw this away. Go play cats. Okay. I got it. I got it. I got it. I'm so excited. Oh my god, it has a handle. Ding 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 ding. Okay, I'm so excited. Let's open it. I cannot wait any longer. Alright. This is so exciting. Oh my god, and it came with like some yarn, and I'm doing it upside down. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. This is so cute. So there's like needles and stuff that I got, like more yarny needles. Well, probably not for yarn, but like I got some like little yarn. Ew, I don't like the feel of it. It's not like, it's like a, what is it? And then look at this. Oh, it's huge. Like, you can make a hat out of this. Like, how? Did I get a big one? Did I get the right one? Anyway, it has like its own count, which is like for each row that you do. You don't have to count it. How awesome is that? And it got the crank. It works. Oh my god, I'm freaking excited. And there's the white. Okay, so I need to get it where the white is. Oh, there's actually numbers on here. So I'll have like a 46 stitch or 48 stitch. So the machine that I got is 48 stitches. Perfect. So see how I just lined up the white with it. Okay, I'm gonna lower the camera and I'm gonna play around with it and put all the pieces together, and then let's start knitting, guys, today. So excited. Let's get going. Is there one in English? Okay, cool. I was like, huh? How, what? Includes machine pillar, 4 suction cups, 4 screws, and 4 screwdrivers. Ooh, it came with a little baby screwdriver. That's so cute. And then this and some screws right there in this packet. So let's put it all together, guys. I'm so excited. So let's practice making a panel for the white scarf. I'm gonna use this white yarn that I have from Michaels. The link is down below if you wanna buy this big white yarn. And so let's try this and see how it goes. I'm super excited and nervous, but more excited. So let's do it. Let's just jump right into it.
346 minutes later.
I think I'm doing it, guys. It's a little bit hard because this is not stable, so I can't really hold the yarn tension right here. So I have to hold it up here a little bit and then just kind of go slow for the first round.
Much later.
Hey guys, I just want to do a quick update about the machine. It's been about like a few hours that I've been playing around, doing and undoing things. But here's one of the panels that I started knitting because I want to do a really long scarf. Whoa, this is a huge. It's definitely going to be smaller. But here what it looks like. I'm not having good luck with cranking it, and like there's some issues that I'm having, but hopefully I'm gonna get the hang of it pretty soon because I'm getting frustrated. But I'm not gonna give up, so let's continue working on this. I don't like how big these stitches, how spread they are. I like it to be tight, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on a tighter tension because right now I'm doing the medium hole, but I'm gonna put it on tighter and then crank it up again and see if it works. But let's go back and try it again. I completely gave up working on the flat panel for the white scarf because every time I tried, it just gave me holes on each side, and I need to figure out more what I can do instead of wasting my time. And so I decided to knit a hat in the machine, which as you see me doing it right here, and it's super simple. All I'm doing is I'm going to 111 rows of just knitting the round in this green color yarn from Michaels. So let's continue doing that and I'll meet you guys when I'm done. Hey guys, it's 8:36 and we just finished our hat using the correct yarn. I played around such a long time to find the correct yarn, and I guess this is it. And so now what we're gonna do, anyone can make a plain hat. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a duplicate stitch chart on the front. So I'm gonna put the camera overhead and we're gonna do bunny really quick and then we'll be done. So I decided not to do the bunny because it would have been way too big for this hat. And so instead we're gonna do this smiley face in the front. So let's get started. So we're gonna take our black yarn and then we're just going to cut off the piece. And then we're just gonna use our yarn needle and then we're just going to pull the yarn through. And then we're gonna do our, again, duplicate stitch, how we did the llama. So let's see how many we gotta skip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So on the 8th, so from this stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on this stitch. We're going to, so let's get our black in here. We're just gonna leave a tail as well. Not too long, but a good size. And then we're just gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches in black. So 6 V stitches. So let's go and do our first one. So again, we're gonna go up to the next V-neck or V-stitch. And you can see the V-stitch so it goes like a V, like this. So let's do that. And just take your time, guys. No rush. Let's see if this works out. This is my first time doing it. I'm super excited because if this knitting machine really works out. And so this is the 1 stitch instant. Let's go to the next one. Perfect. All right, perfect. That's 1 stitch. And then again, go above. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 stitches. 6 V stitches. So we're gonna making the smiley face around. If you see, we're starting from the bottom. I'm gonna go around and I'll fill in the middle. You can obviously do a different way. This is just the way that I'm just gonna go about it. I didn't plan this. We're just going for it. So 1. Right, perfect. Go right next to, again, we're gonna go above the V-stitch. So here's the bottom, pull through that. So you're just gonna continue doing that all the way around until you have the smiley face shape. So like you said, you counted 5 stitches, and if you look really close, you can see that there is, let's change the color to, let's do white. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And those are 6 V stitches. And then we're gonna go up and do 1 on the next row. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, go up, do 1, do 1, do 1, and continue doing that. So I'm gonna speed up the process and I'll meet you guys when I'm done with the outline. So I completed the smiley face. It looks okay, not my best work. And so tomorrow morning, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill in with the yellow. Actually, or maybe tonight. It's already 9:36. So maybe with the yellow, I'll go around and I'll fill in the green inside of the smiley face and then we'll be done. So let's do that really quick and then tie on the hat and then we should be done. It is so hot in here, and I don't know, it's because I'm like going so fast and duplicate stitching, or it's just I'm hot. Anyway, this is how far we've gone so far. It looks pretty cool. So I think I'm gonna finish it tomorrow, and then we'll fold the hat inside out because this is gonna go to the top as well to create that thicker bulky hat, which is really nice. And then we'll tie in the top and sew it in. So let's continue tomorrow, but first let's go sleep. Psych! I decided to not go to bed and continue working on the hat. So let's do that. Get on our couch, watch some Bob Burgers, and finish this beanie. Hey guys, so I finished the hat. You can fold it different ways. So let me fold it the rim up. So I'm not a big fan of how the top looks because I like my top to look kind of flat, like how my other beanie looks, but it's not bad. I'm pretty impressed how easy it was for the knitting machine to make this, and then obviously I added this, which took a while, but let's just keep making cool things like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your night, and don't forget to go to bed.
The next day.
Here is the final look of the beanie. Babe, let me look. What do you think?
It's too early. But yeah, it's dope. I like it. It's super comfy. Like the texture is like really, really soft.
Let me see the front. Like the front, look down.
Oh.
Like, and point more to the side, the other side. Yeah. It's pretty good. I did mess up a little bit on the smiley face, but I kind of rushed myself, but it's okay.
But
This is
yeah,
my first one.
It's like super comfy though. Like for
Yeah, I made a double
I
layer.
can just, like, play with my hands.
Nice.
And the art is pretty dope.
Smiley
Pretty
face.
sick.
Thanks, babe.
Thanks for watching, guys. You know what I mean? We've reached about 799 right now with subscribers. So we about to hit that 800, boy. It's too early, it's all right. But you know what I mean? We're getting super excited about that. So that's kind of dope. So keep subscribing and watching, leave some comments, and we're gonna be cruising.
There's a girl who's like waving. Baby.
Hope that we're gonna get home because I am falling asleep.
Yeah. This in, so there's 2 ends. You just put it like this. Cool. That's it. I guess that's it. Yeah, this. Okay, guys, I finished the hat. Well, I still have the string to detach, but.
Hey, yo, check it out, though.